In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check if Google Cloud SDK is installed. This quick check is handy if you're setting up a development environment, troubleshooting permissions, or verifying an upgrade. We'll do it right from Windows using a built-in tool, and I'll walk you through exactly what to look for in the results. First, open the Windows Start menu. You can click the Windows icon on your taskbar or press the Windows key on your keyboard. This brings up the System Search, which is the fastest way to launch the tool we need. Don't worry, there's nothing to install or configure for this check. We're just going to run a single command to confirm whether the SDK is present. In the search bar, start typing command prompt. When you see command prompt appear in the results, click to open it. You'll know you're in the right place if a black window opens with a blinking cursor. This is the standard Windows command line interface, and it's perfect for a simple version check. Inside that window, type the following exactly as you hear it: gcloud version. Make sure there are no extra spaces at the beginning, and that the two dashes come right before the word version. This command asks the system to run the Google Cloud command line tool and print its version information, which also confirms that the SDK is installed and accessible. Now, press enter to run the command. The command should execute immediately. If everything is set up correctly, you'll see output listing the Google Cloud SDK version, followed by component versions such as the core tools and any installed add-ons. That output is your confirmation that the SDK is installed and available to use on this machine. If you don't see version details, you'll likely get an error message instead. Common messages include command not found or is not recognized as an internal or external command. That usually means the SDK isn't installed on this system, or it's installed but not added to your system's path. If you recently installed the SDK and still get this message, try closing and reopening command prompt so Windows picks up any path changes. That's it. By opening command prompt, running gcloud version, and reviewing the output, you can confidently determine whether the Google Cloud SDK is installed on your Windows computer. If it is, you're ready to move on with your cloud work. If it isn't, head to the official Google Cloud documentation to download and install the SDK, then run this check again to verify.